focus on the left. Maybe if I shift my focus point to the left. Oh, now it's the right side. What do I do?
Why don't you try focus stacking?
Focus stacking.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras. And I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we will learn how we can focus stack our macro shots. Clip with the Renox TCR250 clip-on macro lens. As we all know, the depth of field of the Renox is very shallow, so getting the entire subject into focus can be a little difficult sometimes. Even if we manage it, we may have to keep very high ISO. That can be a disadvantage if I want to submit my images to a contest, a stock photo website, or if I want to print my images. So we can focus stack our images. Let me show you how. You can use this technique even with a macro lens or an extension tube. The rules are going to be the same, but you need to ensure two things while you focus stack your images. First, your subject should be still. If your subject is moving or if it is very windy, the focus stacking may not work properly, and you need to ensure your camera is still. So that's why I keep it on a tripod.
So I have my camera on my tripod and my subject is placed here. I have attached my Renox TCR250 on my 70-300mm kit lens.
First, I'll focus on the part of the image that is closest to me and then move further.
So let's take a picture.
I'm shooting in aperture priority and keeping my aperture around f16. ISO can be the least 100. I don't have to worry much about the shutter speed because I'm using a tripod. Click my picture and now I have to determine how much of my subject is in focus so that I can determine the depth of field and find out how many more shots I need to bring the entire subject in focus.
One part of the subject is nice and sharp. Now I'll repeat this process till my entire subject is in focus.
It may take 15 to 20 shots to bring the whole subject into focus. Now I'm gonna take my images into Photoshop and see how I can edit them.
I'm in Photoshop. I go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. Browse, select my files, all of them. Tick Attempt to automatically auto-align images. OK. Now I will select all the layers, go to Edit menu, Auto Blend Layers, Stack Images. Photoshop has added layer masks to only depict the sharp parts of each photo. This is so cool. If you want to edit them, you can fidget with these layer masks, but I'm gonna leave them as they are because I'm happy with this. Let me crop my image a bit. Select all layers. Merge layers.
So guys, this is how you can focus stack your images, and in case you found this video to be useful, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which Renox tutorials you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Renox tutorial. and here is a playlist that plays all my macro photography tutorials. Please go check these videos out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.